Hello, it's Natasha. Happy to see you here. So today I'll quickly walk you through the new kit released by Tailored Expressions, and I'll show you a few cards that you can create with this kit. So this is Hey There kit, which as always with Tailored Expression comes in a zipped pouch with a sticker, so it's perfect for keeping all the kit ingredients. So as always, there is an assortment of envelopes. So there are 6 envelopes, and there are stickers to seal the envelopes, and the stickers are really easy to release. So there is a backing which can be removed easily. And this kit has a unique stamp set, so of 3 rubber stamps and coordinating stencils. So you get 3 stamps. You see they're quite big, and they will make a great focal point on your card. So you can stamp Hey There sentiment 3 different types. So just the outline, solid image, and the stripy image. And then you get 3 stencils that will help you to create this multicolored layered shadow. So this is really awesome. Then you get 2 stencils which will perfectly fit in the sentiment, and you can create this radiating sunshine background, or this dots background for your sentiment. And there is a die to die cut your sentiment to create additional dimension or to play in some other way. And there is a set of sentiments to stamp inside your card to finish the card nicely. So you can totally do this. So these are really nice, encouraging sentiments that can work for so many occasions. So I think this kit will be perfect for creating masculine cards, and not necessarily masculine, but all kinds of cards, but just playing with your favorite color combos and experimenting with your inks to create quick and really striking cards. So let's see what you can make with this kit, shall we? So I hit embossed one of the sentiments in gold, and it looks cool already, and you can leave it like that, right? But I'm going to use these layering stencils. So they're all numbered. So there is a number 1, 2, 3. So I'm going for number 1. And what you need to do now is to align the openings of the stencil with the letters. And I think what is great about this, that it doesn't really have to be perfect, but they align easily. Okay, so now I'm going, well, that looks about right. So now I'm going to use my magnets to hold my stencil in place. So I stamped it crooked, I mean the sentiment, because I'm going to die cut it. So I wasn't really worried where it is. I'm going to use 3 colors of inks, and I actually decided to go for the colors presented on the packaging because I really like this color combo. I think it's very bright and happy and cheerful. So I'm going for 3 colors of Tailored Expressions inks, and I'm going to use Lollipop for this bright pink shadow. I'm using my mini daubers. Okay, and I'm just going for the openings. Okay. So you can create a 1-layer card, or you can go for a dimensional card because there is a die cut, and how cool is that? Oh my god, I love it. Okay, let's go for number 2. So this is okay, so again I'm aligning my second stencil with my letters. Okay, let's seems about right. And well, if you know me, I'm not really, you know, I don't really worry about perfection, and I don't mind if something is a little bit wonky or a little bit, you know, not perfect. It's a handmade card. I think there is special charm in imperfections. Love this bright yellow. Okay. And okay, have a, yeah. Ta-da! Oh my god, this is, I love it. I love it. Okay, and now the last one, number 3. So here's number 3. And let's align the last color, the last part of the shadow. Okay. Yeah. All right, and this time I'm going for bright green. Okay, and it's so quick, right? And ta-da! Look how awesome it is. All right, so I'll die cut this and I'll assemble my card and I'll get back to you. Okay, so here are the cards I've created with this kit. So this one I die cut and I used this stencil to create this backdrop for my focal point, and I used a strip of colored cardstock, the same I used for the card base, and I heat embossed sentiment in gold from this set. And very simple card, but very bright and cheerful, and I really like how it turned out. And the card in the same colors and basically a similar idea. So with the same stencil as a background, I used tone on tone, the same color of cardstock and the ink, white strip this time, and just foam mounted the sentiment. Again, very simple, but I really love how it turned out, and it was so quick to make. And this card, I decided to play with pink colors, and because I think, well, you know, I said in the beginning that this kit will be great for masculine cards, but I think not necessarily masculine, right? And it will make a great card for anyone, basically. And here I used pink, bright pink color. I really love it, and I love how dimensional these letters are. Just look at them. It's a 1-layer card, right? And it took me, I don't know, 5 minutes to make, and it looks really awesome. And I used 3 shades of gray and the stencils again, and I used this stencil to create the background. And you can actually rotate this stencil and you can create, you know, the whole burst of bubbles around or behind your sentiment. So I think it's a really great and versatile set. And for example, this set, it will work for so many cards, for so many occasions. You can totally use it outside this kit. But also, I think it would be great if you just stamp these sentiments, for example, either in rainbow to create a background on your panel, and then just create some focal point or focal sentiment, or you can stamp all these sentiments in gray to create a subtle background and add some colorful focal image on top. So, well, here you have it. 3 cards. You just need to add a pretty envelope. Yeah, and for this one I used yellow card base. Add a sticker to it, and here, oh, let's go for pink here. How cool is that? All right, I really love this kit. I think it's amazing. I had a lot of fun playing with it. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a wonderful day, and see you again soon. Bye.